Hi, my name is Wesley Price. This is my second business idea for Business 383. My second business idea is one, just like my first, where it's a bag that you would carry in your car. But this one is for, it appeals to a larger and broader market of anybody that might live in rural communities or go on long road trips where they're out in more severe climates. But they should have basic safety items like road flares to triangles to jumper cables, pressure tire gauge, that kind of thing. There are kits out there that are like this, but they're often made of cheap products and aren't worth the money that you put into them. So I wanted to build a kit that had good jumper cables that would be good out in cold weather climates, first aid kit, more quality items. That's my business idea. Thanks.